A1 wanted to create a digital installation that would catch attention at the engineering students' job fair. During the ideation process, we realized that the basis of the installation should combine the two core elements that A1 wanted to communicate: their strength as a mobile carrier and the problem-solving skills of their engineers. So, in both the real world and virtual reality, we began to recreate an A1 mobile cell tower, the engineering basis of their mobile network. The physical installation, with its actual parts of a real mobile tower, immediately caught the eyes of the students and immersed them in the experience from the start. The VR part of the experience had a serious simulation-like quality, but with a fun problem-solving angle. It was created for two players, the technician and the helper. For the technician to become fully immersed, he had to climb the tower segment in the physical world and put on the harness as the final step of recreating the experience of the mobile tower technician to really feel the height once inside VR. And here is where the fun started. Once inside the virtual environment, the technician saw 4 puzzles that needed to be solved quickly. But to do so, he needed the help of the second player, the helper, who had the manual, but who was not inside VR and could not see what the technician was doing. So began the race against time, as the technician had to explain to the helper what he saw in VR and had to maintain faith that his friend, the helper, could correctly guide him using the manual. We wanted to create a multiplayer VR experience that goes beyond VR, in which friends and colleagues must come together, and through peaceful collaboration, but also through yelling, "What does this button do? What does it do?" And in the end, through fun to solve problems, and to become a master problem-solving duo. Any team that finished the game in under 3 minutes received a special prize from A1. To create this experience, we had to focus on 3 parts. First, the sensor system had to connect everything, so that everything in virtual reality is aligned with its real-world physical counterpart. Second, the realism of the visuals, for which we had to take 360-degree photos from the top of the real mobile tower, and then combine them with realistic graphics. And third, the puzzles needed to be fun, simple, and engaging. In the end, all the parts fit perfectly, as the created experience was immersive and engaging. During the 2 days of the event, we had 230 people explore the experience, with 920 minutes spent in VR. This means that during the event, there was someone interacting with the experience 96% of the time. Students gained a fun and engaging experience, while A1 got problem solvers to help them tackle future challenges.